In this section, what we are going to do is we have a logs. The logs are there in the S3 bucket. So this logs are there in the S3 bucket. So I'm going to read the file from the S3 bucket and through the Lambda function, and I'm going to print the value. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm in S3 bucket, I have a logs. So there are different kinds of logs. One is like something called error and something called information or like a warning. You have something called warning. So all these things I have there in this particular S3 bucket. So I'm going to read it. I'm going to print it into the using Lambda function. So basically this is a logs. This is one of the use case where I want to segregate based upon error or anything. I want to use a Lambda function. For that, I'm going to implement this scenario. Okay. So thank you guys. We'll see you in the next lecture.